Hello guys, welcome to Magical Drawing Adventure where you guys can learn and having fun with the drawing. And in today's video we're going to draw a papaya. Alright, so let's jump to the battle together. Alright, so at the beginning I need you to follow me to make this kind of a shape. So basically we need to make this a shape like this, like the oval. So I'm start with like this. You guys can follow here. So from here you can guys like this, right? Then have like this one, like this shape, right? Once you get this shape, then you can continue like this, right, all the way down here, and then a little bit a bit curve like this, then like this, right? You can see this shape already. Okay, then and the next one you can give it this shape like from here, like a little bit curve here, right, something like this, right? After that you can go to the next line like this, so give to something like this. All right, so you can see to something like this, right? After that you can continue like this, like a little bit curve like this, then connect to this line like this. So you can just connect here like this. Doesn't matter. All right, okay. And in the next one we're going to give some branch over here. So from here like this, just curve line from here and all the way here like this. All right, then you just give like this line and then make it a more obvious like this. Okay guys, after you see this, then you can give like some line here to emphasize the line of the papaya, right? Then after that here also like this. All right, okay guys. Okay, then in the next one we can give some eyes and then mouth here. I will make a little bit different for now for this papaya. So I will give it these eyes like this, right? Hope you guys can follow until now. And then this one also like this. Then the last one is a big mouth, like smiley mouth like this. All right, oh, looks so good. Then after that I will give us some bit red color here, like to see the cuteness, right? Then like this, then like this. Okay, all right guys, I think I will speed up the coloring process. You guys can follow and let's go. Okay guys, this is the final result of the papaya, and hope you guys learned something today. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe and see you for the next video guys. Thank you guys. See you. Bye bye.